Hey everybody, welcome to Okalo Garage Daytona build. So this episode, I'm going to be assembling the front coilover shocks. So stand by, we'll see how that goes. All right, so we got all of our stuff laid out. So it looks like the first thing I need to do is slide the coil sleeve over the body. So it goes, looks like it goes this way. Okay. That's on. So we will get this on. All right, a little white lithium grease. There's that. And there. They get mounted this way on the car. So what I'm going to do is, this says Factory 5 Racing on it. So I'm going to put this on that way. Put the spring hat on. Oh, I see. I need to go farther down. So this needs to slide that way. Okay. So now we'll rotate this so that, oops. There we go. All right, so now I've got it set up. So this is held against that top here. And this is snug. So, all right, shock is assembled, and now we just need to get this snap ring to snap in. So let's see if we can do that with, not this. I have a cheap snap ring set here. Maybe too small. That's what she said. I don't know if that's in. That's what he said. Alright, that looks good. Let's see. Alright, I did not see this in the manual, but this little soft tipped set screw. I'm going to put that in there. You need to keep that in mind to double check that for later. You also have to find the one with the thread. There's only one thread. So we'll put it in there. Put that in there. Don't you go anywhere. Alright, so I'm doing street height for the shocks. So that'll be this lower hole, so the car sits higher. So I'm going to take this bullet spacer, shock. Another spacer. Another washer, and there we go. All right, kind of the same thing for the lower mount. So I'm gonna rotate this way, and then make sure you're in frame. Okay, so it's gonna be bolt and washer in, little spacer, too far. There we go. Okay, spacer, there we go. And washer and nut. There we go. Well, that was easy. So assembling the front coilover Koni shocks and getting them attached was pretty trivial. I got to double check. I haven't tightened any of the bolts down. It looks like 40 foot-pound for torque, and then we're good. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please hit like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that kind of stuff. I appreciate your support. We'll catch you next time.